we're going to learn how to tie the Zeppelin bend. So the Zeppelin bend is used to join two ropes together, whether those are two climbing lines or two rigging lines. It's a strong knot and it's easy to untie after it's been loaded, which are its two biggest benefits. We're going to need two separate lines, but we're going to take first this orange line and we're going to create a loop like so, right? And we're going to pinch that loop. We have about 12 inches of tail here just to give ourselves a target. And we're going to take our second line and put it right behind it, matching the tails, and we're going to match the curve of the loop. See that there? Match the curve of the loop, just like so. From here, we're going to take that first tail, that orange tail, we're going to wrap it around the yellow rope underneath itself and poke it through the hole that we've created. And then likewise with the yellow, we're going to go around itself and through the hole the opposite way. It's a very symmetrical knot. So then once we have that, very slowly here, you see how we form a nice symmetrical knot. We can stop and we can dress our tails if we need be, pull it tight, dress it, make it pretty, because pretty knots are better. And then it should be symmetrical on both sides. And that is how you tie the Zeppelin bend.